Hi guys, it's PC Crypto here. Today I'm talking about Sui blockchain. It's SUI.io, the new blockchain that is also built on Move like Aptos, with the team coming from the former DM team, which was former Libra, which was part of Facebook, currently Meta. That might be a bit confusing, but basically those guys are super knowledgeable. They were working at Libra's DM, and they developed inside the language called Move. So Move is this super new language, which is like Solidity on steroids, and as far as I can understand, it takes all the kind of types that people can own, not only just the particular coins or assets like with the classical blockchains, and it also allows for things done in parallel. So Sui will be using a modified version of Move for the smart contracts, and it will allow to have like dynamic NFTs, to have super scalability and safety at the same time. And I want to jump into the platform. So Sui right now is in the building mode. There's not much I think you can interact with. There's a lot of developer resources though, and you can go into, for example, you can go into the white paper coming from the Miston Labs. So Miston Labs is the team behind Sui. So they give you everything about the Move language plus what are the main differences, and so on. This is more technical from the coder perspective, but you can also go into the Medium, and they have an article titled announcing Sui, and in this text they basically explain you how they plan to build this layer 1 blockchain together, and yeah, so the story basically starts with 2021, last year. They decided to leave Meta to build Miston Labs, and then build a company dedicated for to improve this Web3 infrastructure altogether. And basically they talk about the breakthrough, they talk about this Byzantine problem, which is also similar to Aptos, and then they have this comparison Sui blockchain versus traditional blockchain, and how data is organized into independent objects, and how you can have multiple transactions being done at the same time. And it's really cool. So right now Sui is not available. You can't buy tokens or anything. I don't know exactly when that will come. So I just wanted to make this video because I did a video on Aptos, then Libra, and it's all connected in some sense. And I think we'll be hearing more about the new blockchains that are coming out of Meta winding down on their own cryptocurrency. And yeah, the Move language seems to be interesting as well. I plan to do probably a video just about the Move language and compare that to Solidity. But yeah, this seems interesting. I don't know, so I don't know the tokenomics. I don't know exactly how that will work. Who are the major investors in their ecosystem? They probably will release that information soon. They are a little bit less advanced than Aptos, as what I could see, because Aptos has already a devnet. They have a plan to launch the mainnet by the end of this year, so you'll be able to buy tokens if you want to. I don't know anything about Sui or where any kind of like airdrops things are coming or stuff like that. So you have to go to the Twitter profile and basically get all the information from there. It's really cool. So yeah, let me know what you think about Sui down below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for the best and more deep dives into new blockchains, new products on Web3. And of course, don't forget to give the like on the video to like boost the mass adoption of crypto in general. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.